Housekeeping. Not exciting, but necessary. If you've been passed the reins of a Squarespace website after it's been built, then this hyperdrive chapter is especially useful. For today's chapter, we are going to cover how we can set up a new website in Squarespace, 3 different methods of accessing your website admin area, and finally, how we can add and remove users in Squarespace. To help you along, I'll add timestamps for each of these chapters so you can dip in and out of the content to your heart's content. We have quite a bit to cover, so let's crack on. Now we will run through the initial steps required to create a new website in Squarespace. If you're not ready to pay for your website subscription just yet, don't panic. You will have a 2-week free trial without the need to enter your credit or debit card details. How good is that? Here are the steps.
To get us up and running, we need to visit squarespace.com. We then click on the Get Started button in the top right-hand corner. At this point, Squarespace may ask you to create a new account, or, if you already have an active Squarespace account, you can proceed to the next step. From here we can choose a template to get us up and running. We can either ensure our designs closely resemble a template, or we can alternatively clear out all of the content and start from scratch. I'm going to choose this template. If we haven't discovered the perfect template, we can click the preview button. This will give us a live preview of how the website will shape up. Now click Start with this design. From here, we can name our site and go through the initial setup guide. Alternatively, we can just close this window, and we are now ready to edit our new Squarespace website.
If you already have a Squarespace website and need to gain access to the admin area, here are 3 simple steps to get you up and running. Let's have a look.
Option 1. Visit your website and simply press the Escape key. This is the simplest method, however, it doesn't always work depending on your device or browser. If it doesn't work for you, let's move on to Option 2. Option 2. Go to your website address once again. But this time we additionally enter a /, then we type config. Press enter and your admin screen should load. Option 3. Our final option is to go to squarespace.com and click on the login button in the top right-hand corner. If you are already logged in, you will see your Squarespace profile, and you can click on that instead to view your active websites. That's it. 3 simple ways of gaining access to your Squarespace website admin area.
Now we are going to look at managing our Squarespace admin accounts. Additionally, if you have forgotten your login details, you're certainly not alone, so don't worry. Here's a quick trick to recover your password. Let's pop over to Squarespace and take a look.
Once you have logged into your Squarespace admin area, go to Settings, and then Permissions. From here, we can add 2 types of users, contributors and basic authors. Basic authors will have limited, locked down access to the admin area. In most cases, we will invite a contributor by selecting the Invite Contributor button. Now we enter the name and the email address for the contributor and choose the most appropriate admin access level. Next, select Invite and then they will receive an email talking them through how to gain access to the admin area. If you have forgotten how to log in, there is a handy Can't Log In button. Simply click on that and enter your email address. If it is the correct email address for your account, you will receive an email from Squarespace allowing you to reset your password. If you don't receive this email, try a different account or contact the main administrator for your Squarespace website.